When people hear good things about you, they stay silent. When they hear bad things about you, they spread it like wildfire. But when they hear nothing about you, they make things up. However, it's important to remember that you cannot control what others say about you or how they perceive you. Instead, focus on being the best version of yourself and let your actions speak for themselves. Over time, your character and integrity will shine through, and the people who matter most will recognize and appreciate you for who you are.